Good morning. Today the module is 6th module. Previous class you have already studied for Gauss elimination method and Gauss-Seidel iteration method. Today numerical integration. There are two methods, Simpson's one-third rule and trapezoidal rule. First one, trapezoidal rule. What is trapezoidal rule? Suppose that the interval AB is subdivided into n sub-intervals xn, xn plus 1 using the points a is equal to x0 less than, x1 less than, etc. less than xn equal to b, where xn minus xn minus 1 equal to b minus a divided by n is equal to h. For n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to n minus 1. Formula for trapezoidal rule is formula is integration a to b f of x dx is equal to h by 2 into sum of the first and last ordinates plus 2 into sum of the remaining ordinates, or y0, y1, y2, etc. yn are the ordinates. Integration a to b f of x dx is equal to h by 2 into y0 plus yn, that is sum of the first values and last values, plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus etc. up to yn minus 1, that is 2 into remaining ordinates, where h is equal to b minus a divided by n, or h is equal to xn minus 1. N means n minus 1. The given question count the number by 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, n is equal to n minus 1. Then next one, Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule. Next one is Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule. Formula for Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule, integration a to b f of x dx is equal to h by 3 into sum of the first and last ordinates plus 2 into sum of the even ordinates plus 4 into sum of the odd ordinates. This is the formula for Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule. Example, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6 are the ordinates. Therefore, integration a to b f of x dx is equal to h by 3 into first and last values, that is y0 plus last value y6 plus 2 into sum of the even ordinates, that is even number, you know that even number, that is y2, y4, y2, y4, y6 is already right. Then plus 4 into sum of odd ordinates. Odd ordinates means y1, y3, y5, y1 plus y3 plus y5. These are the two equations for Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule and trapezoidal rule. First problem. Start with the first problem. The first problem is the following table gave the values of f of x at equal intervals of x. The values of x is 0, 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0. The values of f of x is equal, f of x is 0, 0.7071, 1, 1.2247, 1.4142, 1.5811, 1.732. Evaluate integration 0 to 3 f of x dx using trapezoidal rule and Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule. First we find the trapezoidal rule. The formula for trapezoidal rule is integration a to b f of x dx is equal to h by 2 into integral y0 plus yn plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus etc. yn minus 1. Okay. Then you have to first find h. The equation for h is b minus a divided by n. Then we have to find 0 to 3 f of x dx. Here a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 3. Here a is equal to this value, that is 0, and b is equal to 3. Then the equation for h is equal to b minus a divided by n. Okay. Then b means 3 and a is equal to 0, that is b minus a. Then n, you have to find n, that is n is equal to count the values, that is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then n is equal to 7, that is n is equal to n minus 1. 7 minus 1 equal to 6. Therefore, h is equal to b minus a, 3 minus 0 divided by 6. 3 by 6, 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. That is the value for h. Okay. Next one, the values of y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6 are. Then given question, these values are given. That is the values, that is y0, this is y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Then write the column. y0, y1, y2, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Okay. Then the values are given. Then the equation is 0 to 3 f of x dx is equal to b minus a divided by 2. The formula for b minus a divided by 2. b minus a divide, sorry, h by 2, h by 2, sorry, h by 2. h you have find 0.5. 0.5 divided by 2 into first and last values. First value means 0 plus last value means 1.732 plus 2 into remaining values. Remaining values means starting from y1 to y5. That is y1 is 0.7071 plus 1 plus 1.2247 plus 1.4142 plus 1.5811 plus, okay, that is, the answer is 3.39655. That is using trapezoidal rule. Next one is Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule. Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule. Continuing the problem. Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule. The formula for Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule is integration a to b f of x dx is equal to h by 3 into sum of the first and last values, last ordinates plus 4 into sum of odd ordinates plus 2 into sum of even ordinates. We have to find h is equal to 0.5. You have already find h is equal to 0.5. Then y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6 are y0, 0.7071, 1, 1.2247, 1.442, 1.5811, 1.732. Integration 0 to 3 f of x dx is equal to h by 3 into y0 plus y6. That is sum of the first and last values. First value y0, second last value y6 plus 4 into sum of odd ordinates. Odd ordinates means y1, y3, y5 are the odd ordinates plus 2 into sum of even ordinates y2, y4. y6 the last ordinates, therefore already right. Therefore 2 into y2 plus y6. The values of h is 0.5 divided by 3. Then y0 plus y6. The values of y0 is 0 and y6 is 1.732 plus 4 into sum of the y1, y3, y5. That is y1 is 0.7071 plus y3 is 1.2247 plus and y5 is 1.5811 plus 2 into sum of the even ordinates, that is y2 and y6. y2 is 1 plus y2 and y4, sorry, y2 and y4. 2 into y2 plus 1 plus y4 is 1.4142. The answer is 3.4353. The problem is over. Second problem. Evaluate integral 2 to 10 1 by log base 10 x dx by using trapezoidal rule and Simpson's rule. Given question is 2 to 10 1 integration 2 to 10 1 by log to the base 10x. That is f of x. f of x is 1 by log to the base 10x. Here a is equal to, a is 2 and b is equal to 10. Okay, we find the table. We are not giving the table, that we have to find the table using f of x. Take h is equal to 1. We take h is equal to 1. That is the table. Table x is equal to starting from 2. That is a is equal to 2 and starting from 2 and ending from 10. the difference between two values is 1. That is 1 is added to another number. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 10. That is 2 to 10. Starting 2 ആണ്, ending 10 ആണ്. That is 2 to 10. Then f of x. f of x is equal to 1 by log to the base 10 x. f of x. When x takes the value 2, then f of x is equal to f of 2 1 by log of the base 10 2. Log to the base 10 2 is the value is taken by calculator. Then 1 by that value. That value is 3.3219. Then similarly, x takes the value 3. Then f of 3 1 by log to the base 10 3 is equal to 2.0959. Similarly, f of 4 1.6609, f of 5 1.4307, and f of 6 1.2851, and f of 7 1.1833, and f of 8 1.1073. Similarly, f of 9 and f of 10. Continuing the problem. Simpson's rule. Using Simpson's rule, the formula is 2 to 10 f of x dx is equal to h by 3 into first and last values plus 4 into sum of odd ordinates plus 2 into sum of even ordinates. We find, we write y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8. These values are already find. That is f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, f of 4, f of 5, f of 6, f of 7, f of 8. Y0, the values of y0 are, we have already done the table. Then write it, the values. Okay. Then it is equal to b minus a divided by n. We know that b is equal to 10 and a is equal to 2. It is given in the question. That n is equal to 8. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then n is equal to 9 minus 1, that is 8. 8 by 8 1. It is equal to 1. That is 2 to 10 f of x dx is equal to h by 3 into y0 plus y8. That is y0 and first and last values. That is y0 plus y8 plus 4 into sum of the odd values. The odd values is y1, y3, y5, y7. Okay. Plus 2 into sum of even values. That is y2, y4, y6. Okay. Then substitute these values. We get the answer 11.97205. y0, y8, y1, y3, y5, y7, y2, y4, y6. These values substitute. Then calculate. Then you get this value. Similarly, trapezoidal rule. 2 to 10 f of x dx is equal to h by 2 into y0 plus y8 plus 2 into remaining values. That is y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7. Thus substituting the values of these coordinates, you get the answer. That is 10.3793. H is this one. The problem is over. Then next problem 3. A river is 8 meter wide. The depth of y in meters at a distance x meters from one bank is given by the following table. The values of x are given 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 17, 18, and the values of y are 0, 5, 8, 10, 15, 12, 7, 3, 1. Find approximately the area of cross section. Okay, this is the question. Then here we use Simpson's rule. Why use Simpson's rule? That is, Simpson's rule is more accurate than trapezoidal rule. So there we use Simpson's rule. In this problem, a is equal to 0. The starting value is a and a. Therefore, a is equal to 0 and the ending value 80. Therefore, b is equal to 80. Okay. Starting value a equal to 0 and ending value b is equal to 8. Therefore, a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 8. Do you understand? Then we find, therefore we find 0 to 18 f of x dx. That is a is 0 and b is 80. that is 0 to 80 f of x dx is equal to h by 2 into sum of the first and the last values plus sum of the remaining values. Then we can find h. H is equal to b minus a divided by n. That is b is 80 minus a is 0. N means counting the values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 9 minus 1, 8. That is 8 minus 0 divided by 8 equal to 10. Now table. That is construct a table for y0 values. y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8. That is 0, 5. These values are given. 0, 5, 8, 10, 15, 12, 7, 3, 1. Write these values. Then the Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule. That is 0 to 18 f of x dx is equal to h by 2 into y0 plus y8. That is first and last values. Plus 2 into remaining values. That is y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7. Sum of these remaining values. Substituting the values of y0 and y8, that is 0 and 1, plus 2 into y1, substitute the values of y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, that is these values, 5 to 3. Substitute these. Then we get the answer 603. The problem is over.